Welcome to SAS Beast Pro. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete Windows Update files easily and free up some valuable space on your computer. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer. This is the place where all your folders and files are located, and it's the first step toward finding the update files you want to delete. Step 2. Click on this PC from the left sidebar. This helps you access all the drives and main storage areas on your computer where the Windows system files are stored. Step 3. Double-click on Local Disk C. This is your main system drive where Windows is installed, and it's where the update files are usually saved. Step 4. Double-click on the Windows folder. This folder contains all the essential system files that make your operating system run smoothly. Step 5. Scroll down and open the Software Distribution folder. This folder stores temporary files related to Windows updates, and it's safe to clear out when updates are done. Step 6. Open the Download folder inside it. Here you'll find the actual update files that Windows has downloaded but no longer needs. Step 7. Select all the files in the Download folder. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard to highlight everything inside. Step 8. Right-click and choose Delete to remove the Windows Update files. This will instantly clear up space and can help your system run a bit smoother. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro for more helpful tech tutorials like this one.